Welcome to SAKUNTHALA VURE.
Next topic, insert date and time and object. How to insert the date and time and how to insert the object. Steps. Date and time. Click insert button. There select date and time. In this dialog box open. Here so many types of dates displayed. Click for choosing one and click OK. This is how to insert the date and time. This is MS Word. Click insert button. Comes right side and there selected date and time. In this dialog box displayed. Here today date and today date in day also full spelling and month also spelling and including time also. Including times in 22, 28 to 58 or normal time 10 to 28 is in here not display the date. Here display the date and time. Here display day only. Okay, date and time taken and click OK. Here date and today date and time came. This is date and time inserting. Next one, object. How to insert the object. In insert but menu, insert the object is embedded object. How to insert it. Click insert button. There select object. After in this dialog box came. Here objectives. Your objective types is your system have in this type of objectives available in your system. Click one object. There fill the figure and click OK. I'm open MS Word. Click insert button. Comes right side. There click object. In this dialog box open. Now why are you choosing in this one? Normally you have the any image or figure open separately taken to the MS PowerPoint or MS Word and image download and draw the images. After we'll save the desktop. Again open to the MS Word. There open the same file of searching and open and image is download and image is copy to paste. In this long process not done. Directly comes to the image. How is it? How to come it? You click. I am clicking here bitmap image. This is object to type and this is the object to dialog box. After clicking the OK, bitmap means what? Paintbrush. You know that all of you. Directly open the paintbrush here. Now I am draw the one figure. I am taking one shape here and fill the color here. Again take the same shape and change the color. Change the color. Again same shape and fill the color again here. Next take the another shape. Fill it I am. And take fill with color. Fill the another color. And this is saved now? No. Directly closing I am not saving here. The same figure comes to the MS Word. It is very easy, no? This is called a object. Insert object. Thank you. Please subscribe my video.
Like a Hellcat.